All right, today we're going to simplify some exponential expressions. So number 1 says 2x raised to the 4th times 3x squared. We're going to simplify this expression using the rules of exponents that we've gone over. So here in red, I've just put a little bit of some steps that we're going to do. So first we're going to multiply the coefficients. In 2x to the 4th, the coefficient is 2. It's just the number in front of the variable there. And then in 3x squared, our coefficient is 3, the number that's in front of our variable. So we're going to multiply the coefficients, just like normal. So 2 times 3, that's 6. So that's the new coefficient in our answer. Then we're going to keep the base. So 2x raised to the 4th, the base there, the variable is x. 3x squared, again, we have an x, so we're going to keep the base. We're keeping the x. And then we need to add the exponents. Remember, when you're multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, you keep the base, add the exponents. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So here, this expression can be simplified to 6x raised to the 6th power. All right, over here in number 2, we have the quantity 2x squared raised to the 3rd power. So remember, when we're raising this quantity to the 3rd power, that means we're taking everything inside the parentheses and multiplying it by itself 3 times. So I've expanded that out for us. So this simplifies into 2x squared times 2x squared times 2x squared. And now that we've written out that expansion, we can actually just use these same rules that I have written over here in red, the same steps. So we're going to multiply the coefficients. So we have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 will give us 8. So our new coefficient on our answer is 8. Then the x is your base, so we're going to keep the base. And now, since we're multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, we can simply add the exponents. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the simplified expression would be 8x raised to the 6th power.